Hello everyone, today let us make Rajgira Puri with aloo ki sabji. Heat a kadhai and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add in 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 8 to 10 curry leaves, 4 to 5 chopped green chillies, four boiled and diced potatoes, mix well and cook for 2 minutes. The potatoes are sticking to the kadhai, you can add 1 teaspoon ghee. Add in 3/4 cup roasted and coarsely grounded peanut powder. Rock salt to taste. Mix everything together. Add in 1 tablespoon lime juice and 2 tablespoons of water. Finally add 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves and give it a good mix. Vrat wale aloo sabji is ready. Serve it with Rajgira Puri. Now let's begin to make Rajgira Puri. First, let's grate 2 boiled potatoes. You could also use raw bananas that are boiled to make it more healthy. Into a mixing bowl, add in grated potatoes, three teaspoons ginger chilli paste, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, half teaspoon rock salt. Mix all the ingredients. Add in Rajgira flour little by little and knead to form a stiff dough. Add 2 teaspoons ghee and again mix well. Cover it and set aside for 10 minutes. Sprinkle some Rajgira flour and knead again. Place a plastic sheet on the counter and grease it with ghee. Spread the dough into thick puri shape with the tip of the fingers. Take it out of plastic sheet. Deep fry the puris until golden brown. Since the puris are thick, you need to check if they are cooked properly from both the sides. Take it out on kitchen towel. Rajgira puris are ready to be served.